When you talk about retail, you talking about middle class, low income, poverty. We don't got enough, bruh. We don't got enough. And that's if all of us invested. You know only 20% of us moving it. The other one's like, I ain't doing that. I'm straight. Bro, we don't got enough. So retail investors don't move the market. So Sean asks, is this a time do we think that like retail investors are getting smarter? And I'll be honest with you, y'all. We don't move the market. We don't got enough money. I'm gonna be real with you, bro, and the people gonna think I'm lying. And I'm not hating on this dude. At no point in my life do I think Roaring Kitty is the reason why GameStop soared like that. He ain't got enough money. I'm about to say this, and I'm about to make, he only made $54 million. Listen to this. He only made $54 million. That ain't enough to make a stock go up 400%. I'm gonna say that again. And I don't want you to take this the wrong way. He only made $54 million. The people who moved it, we didn't even talk about them. He benefited, don't get me wrong. He had a great eye. That happens. You have a great eye. He saw the play. He saw the play. He believed in it. But there were people. Somebody said hedge funds lost billions. No, they didn't. Only one hedge fund really lost. There was a small hedge fund. Hedge funds is what moved that thing. Retail investors don't got enough money. Bro, we don't got enough money. Think about this, bro. I want you to think about this. I want you to think about this. I want you to think about this real good. Bro, Warren Buffett sold 500 and something billion dollars worth of a company, bro. I want you to listen to that. He sold 500 and something billion dollars worth of a company. Now, let me put this in retrospect. Dude only made 54 million, not B, million. For these people moving billions. I don't care if all the retail investors and their mama get together. We ain't got enough. Bro, we don't got enough. We don't got enough, bro. Think about this, bro. People living check to check. People, $10,000 in their savings. People working 2 jobs. Let's even go to the middle class. Right? They got a little more. Let's even go to the rich. The rich ain't, they letting them do it. So now you talking about, when you talk about retail, you talking about middle class, low income, poverty. We don't got enough, bro. We don't got enough. And that's if all of us invested. You know only 20% of us moving it. The other one's like, I ain't doing that. I'm straight. Bro, we don't got enough.
What's good, trappers, man? It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Right now, I want to invite you to an amazing experience full of value. That is my community, Trappers Anonymous. It's 100% the greatest fundamental investing community on the market. Listen, your portfolio should be a masterpiece. And the only way we get you there is if we help you to learn how to invest with confidence. Now listen, I get it. Like, you don't know a lot about stocks, or maybe you've heard people say how much money they lost in stocks, but I can guarantee you, one, because they weren't in the community, and two, they lack the information. Our goal in Trappers Anonymous is to help you, really to hold your hand on the journey to becoming a confident investor, learning how to navigate through the different events that the stock market goes through to take you from panic to encouragement. There's no better time than now. This is an opportunity only for those who are willing to be on the journey. So listen, man, click the link below. Come join me in Trappers Anonymous, man. I will see you in one of our many classes, whether it's Moat Monday, whether it's the 2-hour class we do on Sunday, or whether it's just a book club. Everything is geared toward making you a better investor so you can triple your net worth and turn your last name to an asset. It's your boy, Wall Street Trapper. See you in the trap.
That's why it's even more important for us to play this game, because this is the great equalizer. This is how we get enough. This is how we get enough. When we play this game, bro, I promise you this. You know what I love about this game? I love this game because you remember we was in the portfolio class. We was in the portfolio class. We saw somebody say, we saw 4 people in there made 7 figures. Maybe about 20, 25 people, maybe 20 people say they made 6 figures. Everybody else was 5 figures and up. Now watch this. How long do you think it take a person that works a job to have 6 figures and 7 figures in the market? Let me reframe that. To make that on a job, to have that to put in the market. That's how this game changed a person's life, bro. Go back to Roaring Kitty. The dude started with, he said, this is my last 50,000. Listen to what he said. He told his wife this. She said, how much you got invested? He said, all of it. She said, what's all of it? He said, the whole 50 grand. He said, the whole 50 grand. And in less than a year's time, he turned 50 grand to 54 million. Now, mind you, that is a once in a lifetime opportunity. But what you can do is, on a consistent basis, you can turn 50 grand to 100,000. That is neat. That you ain't even, you're not even thinking big. We got people in Patreon that done turned 24,000 to a $250,000. Now he probably done took it back a little bit, but he done turned, imagine starting with $25,000 and then within a year's time, that's $250,000. Bro, come on, what we doing here? This is the great equalizer. We started the account with 400,000 in 2022. At peak, it hit 4.8 million. Right now it's at 3.2 million. Bro, I'm still on house money. How long does it take you to turn 400,000 to 4 million if I'm just working and saving? You feel me? This game is the great equalizer. And then once you mix real estate with it, now you talking about now you ain't paying taxes. Now you really playing a game. And then you start learning other strategies. That's why you gotta go from trying to gamble in the game. This ain't a slot machine. This is a game that truly changes your net worth over time. And that's how we gotta look at the game. So I'm gonna say it again. A good investor is an optimist who can put up with volatility and uncertainty in extreme times.